So here in Microsoft Excel, we are going to discuss about the page layout menu. Page layout menu is much more easier. It is about the formatting of page, applying themes and colors over the page. For example, I have prepared a daily sales report sheet here, and now I want to apply some theme over it. I'll choose themes option in the page layout menu. The first tab is themes. You can choose any of these themes. As I'm changing the theme, you can see the background color, text color, font styles on my sheets are changing with the theme. I can choose the colors of my own choice. Here are the set of colors. You can choose any of these colors. I have selected red oranges. Next is font. Here are the it contains multiple font families. For example, I want to apply the Arial family. I will select Arial Black font family. You can see that whole data is converted to Arial font, and my headings and all the fonts are converted to Arial. Next is effects. It contains multiple effects. You can choose any of them to apply on your data. Next option is about setting up of page. Page setup contains multiple commands, but it will not work in this view as we are in the sheet view of Microsoft Excel this time. If you want to switch to page layout view, you'll go to the bottom of Excel sheet here. You have got three buttons: normal, page layout, page break. This is known as view bar. You'll select the page layout menu button, and now you can see that your sheet is converted to pages. Now you can see that your data is displayed on 3 pages. If you want to practically print your page, this data will print it in this manner. So we have to set up this issue to print the whole data to one page only. For that purpose, we'll go to, first of all, we have command margins. Here we are using the normal margin. If we use narrow margin, you can see that left, right, top, bottom margins are changed, and data is now contained on 2 pages, not 3 pages. Okay. If we choose the wide margin, it will again convert it to 3 pages. So I'm going to choose the narrow margin. Next option is orientation of the page. As you can see that my pages are portrait. My pages are written from top to bottom approach. If you want to choose the landscape view, you'll see that my pages will be converted to left to right page style. This is known as landscape. Still our problem is not resolved. We have data on 2 pages. So I'm going to choose another option that is called the page size. Here we are using the latter page. Latter page is the width of latter page is 8.5 inches, height of latter page is 8.11 inches. Sorry. Legal, I'm going to select the legal page. Legal page is larger in size. The width of legal page is 8.5, but the height of legal page is 14 inches. Now you can see that most of my data is containing on one page. Only 2 columns are left on the second page. My issue is resolved a bit, but not completely resolved. Okay. Now, next option is print area. What is that print area? Let's see. For example, I want to print only these 3 columns on my sheet. I have selected 3 columns, and I'll go to print area, set print area. Now, if I see file, print, now you can see that only 3 columns are placed on my sheet. No extra column is displayed on my sheet. If I go back and select the same area and click print area, clear print area. Now go to file and click print command. Now you'll see that the whole page is displaying in the print. That means I can print the whole page this time. Next option is a background break. Click inside the page anywhere and click insert page break. You will see that your page will be broken into the 4 parts. Go to the page break again and click remove page break or remove all page breaks. You will see that page break will be removed and data will be converted to normal. Next option is the background. You can choose any of backgrounds. Like I'm going to choose a background. I click browse and now I have got background on my wallpaper folder. I'll go to choose a wallpaper from here. For example, I want to apply this thing as a background. Now you can see that I have got a background on my sheet. If you don't want to apply the background, just click delete background. Background will be removed. Next option is print titles. What are the titles? These A, B, C, D, these are known as the titles or headings. If you want to print them, just click and apply OK. It will be printed. Next option is width of the page and the height of the page. This is known as the scaling. As we were discussing earlier that our page is not containing data on a single page. I want to place all the data on a single page. For that purpose, I have two techniques. Okay. The first technique is I change the scaling of page. Here, for example, we are going to, the page scale is 100%. Now I am going to convert it to 80%. Let's see what happens. You can see that the whole data is placed on my single page. If I convert it to 100% again, we'll just type 100 and press enter. It will go to the previous situation again. Another solution is we have two commands, width and height. If I change width to one page, whole data will be converted to one page. Now we can see complete data on one page. If I want this data that is below on the other page, on the same page also, I will change height to one page also. We'll just click one page, the whole data will be converted to one page. But it will reduce the size of page also. So height should be automatic, width can be one page also. Okay, next option is about printing of grid lines. Before that option, I am going to show you the print layout. File, print. You can see that you can't see rows and column over here that were displayed on my sheet because rows and columns are not set to print. Okay, let's see. These are known as grid lines. These boxes are known as grid lines. If you don't want to see them, just click uncheck view. Here there are no rows and columns now. If you want to see them, just click view. Your rows and column will be displayed. If you will check print, then go to file and print. You will see that rows or columns are displayed on print also. Okay, if you want to print them, you have to check it. Next option is headings. These A, B, C and 1, 2, 3 are known as heading. Now if I see print, I can't see them. If you want to view them or not, you want to remove the view, just uncheck and this will be removed. If you want to print it, just click print and now see file, print. You can see that rows and columns are available on page also. So if you want to print row number and column number, you have to check it first. This was about sheet options. Last option is arrangement of something. What is it about? It is about the pictures. It's not about text. How? Let's see. I'm going to insert a picture on my page. Insert picture, this device, and I've got multiple pictures. I have added a picture over here. Now I want to add another picture. Insert picture, this device, and here I've got another picture also. If you want to get more pictures, just go to insert picture and add some pictures. Now here you can see I have placed the picture in front of a picture and the previous picture is hidden behind that. Now I want to take it back. I'll click send backward. the first picture will come forward. I'll click bring forward. It will bring it to front. Next option is selection pan. It is showing me how much pictures I am using on my sheet. If I click this eye symbol, it will remove that picture from my page. If I click it again, it will place it again on my page. Next option is about the alignment of pictures. If I click align and snap to grid, it will align it according to the shape, according to the rotation of the page. Next option is rotate. If you want to rotate your picture to any angle, if you want to flip your picture horizontally or vertically, you can use these options. This was all about the page layout menu in Microsoft Excel.